This video is brought to you by CoCraft Brand Products, a full line of professional musubi molds. Aloha! This is Tom, the co-author of the Hawaiian-style musubi cookbook, and I'm going to share with you a few flavorful musubi recipes for bacon lovers. This simple recipe requires only a few ingredients: eggs, shoyu, green onions, bacon, leftover rice, and to kick up the flavor, bacon-flavored Spam. Start with 3 to 4 slices of thick-cut bacon. Slice it up into small pieces, and if you want the full bacon taste, save a few half slices of bacon to layer on top of your musubi during assembly. Set your stovetop to medium heat and add the chopped bacon. Let it cook, stirring occasionally to your desired crispiness. Then, remove the large bacon slices from the pot and mix in the old rice. Rigorously break apart the rice while ensuring the rice is evenly coated with the bacon fat. Most cooks make their rice in advance and then store it in the fridge overnight so that the rice becomes hard and does not absorb as much moisture and become mushy. I cook mine in the morning and then store until evening. Remove the rice from the wok. Add 2 to 3 eggs and scramble them. I stir the eggs constantly during cooking to ensure that they are broken up into small pieces. When they're cooked, add the rice mixture back into the wok and blend the eggs into the mixture. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of shoyu for to taste, and about a 1/4 cup sliced green garden onions. Mix well. Slice Spam and brown on each side over medium heat. Okay, now we're ready to start assembling the musubi. Add your rice to the rice mold to make a large rice block. Press it down firmly. One of the issues with making this recipe is that bacon fried rice doesn't stick together as well as steamed rice. So you have to actually press harder, and I recommend that you use a full sheet or a half sheet of nori to wrap it. But here I'm using a 1/3 sheet so that you could see the results easier. I'm making a few variations today. A bacon fried rice musubi consisting of just fried rice. The second one bumps it up a notch by adding bacon flavored Spam. And the final is the bacon lovers musubi with bacon fried rice, bacon Spam, and topped with a slice of thick cut bacon. Oh no. Bacon lover musubi has become one of my favorite now. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for stopping by.